Hello students, my name is Professor Mohammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did some questions of logarithm, topic logarithm, from past papers, paper 1. Today we will do some more questions of logarithm, but this time I choose paper 2. Let's have a look. Question number 5, part A. This question came October November 2012, paper 2 3. Solve 2x 2 power x minus 2 whole power 1 upon 2 is equals to 100, giving your answer to one decimal place. Part A, 2 power x minus 2 1 upon 2 is equals to 100. First, apply the rule of indices. You know, power to power is always multiply. So, x minus 2 multiply by 1 upon 2, or if you take squaring on both sides, so 2 cancel by 2, 2 power x minus 2 is equals to 100 square, 1 2 3 4. 100 square is 10,000. Now apply logarithm on both sides. Log 2 x minus 2 is equals to log 10,000. Next, power is always from before the log. Log 2 is equals to, you can write log 10,000 is 10 power 4 x minus 2 log 2 power before the log, so it is 4 log 10 x negative 2 is equals to 4, and this log 10 is 1. So LG stands for log with base 10, and you can confirm from your calculator log 10 is 1, and this log 2 should be divided by 4, or x is equals to 4 upon log 2. This negative 2 of left hand side should be positive 2 on right hand side. Use your calculator to find the direct answer of 4 over log 2 plus 2 is equals to 15.3. This is the requirement of the question. What was the requirement? The requirement was giving your answer to one decimal place. Now move to part B. What is part B of this question? solve log y base y 2 is equals to 3 negative log y 256. Very easy question. Write log base y 2 is equals to 3 and add log y with 3. No difference because log y is 1 negative log y 256 log y 2. This 3 must become the power of y, so it is log y square negative log y 256 and log y2 is equals to, apply the rule of difference convert it into fraction in logarithm, so it is log base y is y square upon 256. In both sides there is a single logarithm, so you can cancel easily log y by log y 2, and this 256 must be multiplied by 2 y square (256 by 2 is 512). Kindly wait, I am checking is there any, oh, there is a mistake which I did, silly mistake, but mistake is always mistake. This 3 become the power of y, so it is y cube, not y square, so it is y cube, it is y cube. It is y cube. So y cube is equals to 512. Taking cube root on both sides, so it will be y, and cube root of 512 is 8. You can confirm from your calculator. So student, this is the question which came in October-November 2012, paper 2-3. Now move to next question. Solve the equation part A. 3p plus 1x equals to 0.7, giving your answer to 2 decimal places. Very easy. Taking logarithm on both sides, LG stands for log with base 10, p plus 1 log 0.7. Write p plus 1 before the log 3 log 0.7, or p plus 1 is equals to log 0.7 upon log 3. or p is equals to log 0.7 upon log 3 negative 1. Use the calculator to find log 0.7 upon log 3 negative 1. You will get negative 1.32. So very easy question. This question came in May June 2013, paper 2-2. Next question of logarithm. Given that log px equals to 5, log py equals to 2, part number 1, find log px square. This is the requirement. So taking the given log px equals to 5, multiply both sides by 2. 2 into log px is equals to 2 into 5. Log p x 2 must becomes the power of x, that is x square. 2 5s are 10. Hence our requirement has fulfilled. Log px square is equals to 10. Next part. Next part is log p1 upon x. So log p1 upon x can be write log p1 negative log px. Log of 1 with any base is always 0, and log px is given in the question 5. So 0 negative 5 is negative 5. This is our answer. Part 3. Part 3 is log xy. Base a xy is p. So log base xy p. So if we apply the change of base rule and convert this base xy as log base p, so it will be, by applying the chain rule, log pp upon log pxy. You know, log of same base with value like pp is 1. Log pxy can be right log px plus log py. 1 over log of px given in the question is 5. Log of py given in the question is 2. So the final answer is 1 upon 7. So hope you enjoy the whole question. This is the main question. Log px is equals to 5 and log py is equals to 2. So if you know the rules of logarithm, every question is very easy. This question came in October November 2013 paper 2-1 as well as paper 2-2. Next question of logarithm. By changing the base of log to a4, express log to a4 multiply 1 plus log a2 as a single logarithm. Very easy question. First write log to a4 multiply by, you can write this log this 1 as log AA. So AA is 1, so you may write instead of 1 log of AA, and log A2 is same. Now write log 2a4 multiply by, you know, when there is an addition sign you can convert into multiplication. So a into 2 is log 2a, and now this log 2a4, if you want to make the base of log 2a as a, so it is a4 upon log a 2a. So this is the change of base rule, and this log a 2a remains same. Now cancel this log a 2a by this log a 2a. So log a4. What was the requirement? The requirement was to convert all the logarithms into a single logarithm to base a. Now you can check, this should be our answer because the requirement has fulfilled. Move to next question. This question came in May-June 2014 paper 2-1. Next question of logarithm is yes, part A. Question number 14, part A, part 1. A1, state the value of u for which log u is equals to 0. You know, when you see LG, it means the base logarithm with base 10. Now convert this logarithm into index form. So u is equals to 10 to the power 0, and 10 to the power 0 is 1. So our final answer is u is equals to 1. Part 2. Hence solve log 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is absolute value question. So first convert into index form. Again it would be 10 to the power 0. 2x plus 3 is equals to 10. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Now omit this sign of absolute value. It will be 2x plus 3 is plus minus 1. So first 2x plus 3 is equals to 1. 2x is equals to 1 minus 3. 2x is equals to negative 2. X is equals to negative 1. So first value is x is equals to negative 1. Now taking 2x plus 3 is equals to negative 1. 2x is equals to negative 1, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 3 is negative 4. So 2 to the 4, x is equals to negative 2. Hence our answer are x is equals to negative 1, negative 2. This is our final answer. Move to next part of the same question. Next part is express 2 log 315 negative log a5 log 3a as a single logarithm to base 3. Very easy question. Write log 3. This 2 becomes the power of 15 negative log a5 negative log 3a log 3. 15 square is 225. Negative, convert this log a5 to log 3. So log a is log 35 upon log 3a, and this is log 3a already. This log 3a cancelled by this log 3a. And convert negative into fraction. So 225 upon 5 log 3. 5 4s are 5 5s are. So it is 225 upon 5 is 45. Now this is the requirement. Log converted into a single logarithm. Express 2 log 15 minus log a5 log 3a is converted into single logarithm, that is log 345. This question came in May June 2014, paper 2-2. Next question. Using the substitution u is equals to log 3x, solve the equation log 3x negative 12 log x3 is equals to 4. Very easy. Log 3x is equals to 12. Log x3 converted by applying the change of base rule, it will be log 33 upon log 3x is equals to 4. Now according to question, put log 3 as x is u. So u negative 12 log 33 is 1, log 3x is u is equals to 4. Taking the LCM, u square, negative 12 ones are 12, and u must be multiplied by 4, so it is 4u. So u square negative 4u negative 12 is equals to 0. This becomes the quadratic equation. Apply the method of middle term break. You will get two values of u, that is 6 and negative 2. Now what is u? U is log 3x is equals to 6. So 3 power 6 is equals to x, and x is equals to 7 to 9. Similarly, log 3x is equals to negative 2. So x is equals to 3 power negative 2, x is equals to 1 upon 3 square, and x is equals to 1 upon 9. Hence the values of x are 729 and 1 upon 9. So substitution make the question very easy. This question came in May-June 2014, paper 23. Next question of logarithm. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Very easy question. Take both the equations one by one. Log 2 x plus 3 is equals to 2 log 2y. Log 2 x plus 3 is equals to, write 2 log base 2 2, because 2 2 is 1, so 2 ones are, again you will get 2 log 2y log 2 x plus 3. This 2 becomes the power of log 2 square is 4 log 2y. Very important question. Log 2 x plus 3, apply the rule of multiplication. It is 4 into y is 4y. This cancel by log 2, so x plus 3 is equals to 4y, or x plus 3 negative 4y is equals to 0. Assign the name of this equation is equation number 1. Taking the second logarithmic equation, that is log 2x plus y is equals to 3. Log base 2x plus 3, sorry, x plus y is equals to 3. You can write this x plus y 2 power 3. Logarithmic form converted into index form. 2 power 3 is 8. Now you have two equations. One is x negative 4y plus 3 is equals to 0, and next is x plus y negative 8 is equals to 0. Subtract both the equation, negative negative positive, x cancel by x, negative 5y, 8 plus 3 is 11 is equals to 0, is equals to negative 11, and y is equals to 11 upon 5. Put this value of 11 upon 5 in any one of the equations. So I am putting in equation number 2, that is x plus y is 11 upon 5 is equals to 8, x is equals to 8, negative 11 upon 5, it is 29 upon 5. So x is 29 upon 5 and y is 11 upon 5. This is our final answer. So hope you understand and enjoy the whole question. This question came in October November 2014, paper 2-1 and paper 2-2. Next question. Write log 27x as logarithm of base 3. Very easy. Just apply the change of base rule. So it is log 3x upon log 327, or you may write log 3x upon log 327 becomes the power of 3 log 3x, write power before the log 3, log 3 log 3x upon log 3 is 1, 3 1s are 3, or you may write 1 upon 3 log 3x. So requirement has fulfilled. Log 27x as a logarithm to base 3 is 1 upon 3 log 3x. Move to next part of the question. Next part is, given that log ay is equals to 3 log a15 negative log a3 plus 5, express y in terms of a. Very easy. Log a y is equals to 3. First write log a 15 upon 3, because negative converted into fraction, and write this 1 as log a log a y is equals to 3, 3 5s are 15, so log a5 plus log a log ay is equals to log a. This 3 becomes the power of 5, so 5 power 3 plus log a log ay is equals to log a. 5 power 3 is 125 plus log a log a y. Apply the rule of logarithm. Addition converted into multiplication. Sorry. 125 into a. This log a cancelled by this log a. So y is equals to 125a. This was the requirement of the question. Express y in terms of a. It means make y as the subject of the formula. So y is equals to 125. This question came in May-June 2015. Next question of logarithm. Solve. Part A. 6 x negative 2 is equals to 1 upon 4. First you can write x negative 2, sorry, I have applied directly. First taking log on both sides. Write power before the log. Next, x negative 2 is equals to log 1 upon 4 upon log 6. Next, x is equals to log 1 upon 4 upon log 6. This negative 2 becomes positive 2. Use your scientific calculator to find the final answer of log 1 upon 4 over log 6 plus 2, which is 1.23. Hope you understand. Sorry for this. Next, part, solves the equation. Very easy. Log a 2y square plus log a 8 plus log a 16y negative log a 64y is equals to 2 log a 4. Very easy. Apply the rule of multiplication on all these three rules, on all these three logarithm. So it will be log a 2y square multiply by 8 multiply by 16y, and this negative converted into fraction, and this 2 becomes the power of 4. It is 16. Now log a cancel by log a. See carefully, this y cancel by this y. 8 8 is 64, 2 4 is 8, so 6 and 4 4 is 16, and 4 4 is 16. and y square is equals to 4, and taking square root on both sides, the value of y is plus minus 2. So very easy question, looks difficult but very easy. This question came in May June 2015. Move to next question. Solve the equation log 3x minus 2 plus log x plus 1 is equals to 2 log uh, 2 minus log 2. So first write log 3x minus 2 multiply by x plus 1 is equals to, like write this 2 is 2 into log 2 2 negative log 2. So log 3x minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to, this 2 become the power of 2, log 2 square is 4, negative log 2, multiply 3x into x is 3x square, 3x 1 is 3x, negative 2x, negative 2 is equals to, write log 4 upon 2 log 3x square, 3x minus 2x is x minus 2, 2 to the 4 log log 2, sorry, and this log cancel by this log, 3x square plus x negative 2 is equals to 0, 3x square plus x negative 4 is equals to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation by middle term break method. You will get the values of x is equals to negative 4 upon 3 1, but we have to take only one value, that is x is equals to 1, because if you put negative 4 upon 3 in the given question, you will get negative value of logarithm, and negative value of logarithm is undefined. So I choose only part B of this question because part A of this question is not related to logarithm, and we are doing only questions which are related to logarithm. This question came in October November 2015, paper 2-1 and 2-2. Move to next question. Solve the following equation. Log 229 x minus 15 is equals to 3 plus 2 upon log x2. So first write log 229 x negative 15 is equals to, write this 3 is 3 log log, sorry, 2 plus 2 upon log x2. Log 2 29x minus 15, this 3 becomes the power of 2 log 2, 2 power 3 is 8 plus 2 upon this log x2 can be write by applying the change of base rule, log 2 upon log 2x. Next, log 2 29x negative 15 is equals to log 28. This log 2x must multiply by 2, so it will be 2 log 2x upon, and this log 2 is 1, log 2 29x negative 15 is equals to log 2 8 plus this 2 becomes the power of x, so it is log 2 x square log 2 29x negative 15 is equals to log 2. This 8 and x square must be multiplied by the rule of logarithm. This log 2 cancel by this log 2. 29x negative 15 is equals to 8x square. Or you may write 8x square negative 29x positive 15 is equals to 0. Applying the middle term break method, 15 8s are 120, 8x square negative 24x negative 5x plus 15 is equals to 0. Taking first two, last two, 8x, x minus 3, minus 5, x minus 3, x is equals to 0, x minus 3, 8x minus 15. This implies that x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 5 upon 8. Answer. Very easy question and very interesting as well. So student, this is our today's class where this question came in October-November 2015. So I am ending this topic. We have done so many questions of logarithm from paper 1 as well as from paper 2. My next topic is based on differentiation, derivatives. So first I will do derivatives from paper 1, then I will do derivatives of paper 2. So this is our today's class. Hope you enjoy and gain the knowledge of the topic. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.